Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing Enhypen's Manifesto Day 1. I have not all the versions technically. I have the D, J, and M, like regular versions, and then the smaller, I think they're jewel cases, the smaller jewel case versions. There is also a Weverse version. I was thinking about getting it, but then I was like, I can't. Like, I have to stop somewhere. I was like, I can't always get everything. And I was just like, you know what? We're just gonna leave it at these 6 versions, which is ridiculous enough. But anyway, you guys know I love Enhypen, so I had to do it. I guess we can start with this D regular version and then work our way through. So yeah, let's do this. I already know that this video is gonna be so long, especially because I know I'm gonna be blabbing. You guys know me. You know me. Interesting. Okay, cool. Well, I hear stuff, so I guess we can just open this up. Ooh, these always make me nervous. At least it's not like super flimsy material. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, what is that? Cool. Okay, let's try not to see anything. All right. Okay. All right, we have the photo book, nice and simple. I do really like this color orange, and I don't usually like orange, but this is a nice color. It's also like that nice soft material too. Okay, let me see if there's any random things in here. All right, no random things in the photo book, so I'm guessing everything was behind it. Let me zoom in a little bit. That much. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. I really can't with them. I really can't with them. I also like, they have this badass concept, and I will forever see them as the Island baby. Forever. Oh, Nikki looks so cute. The like slightly wavy curly hair is really cute on him. Nice. Nice. Oh, is that like a doggy spray paint? Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Nikki really does seem like a manga on top. He has the manga on top vibes. Nice. I'm really liking this graffiti background. These are also some really cool shots too. Nice. Ugh, Jungwon, our leader. I think the red hair looks really good on him. When he first revealed it, it was much brighter, and I was like, oh, I mean, I guess. But I think it looks, like 100% better, just like slightly darker. But he looks super cute too. So cute. Yeah, I really do love these cuties, and their songs slap too, so you know, that's just the bonus. That's just the bonus. Sunghoon, still rocking the blonde. Nice. I'm not gonna lie, when I first heard Future Perfect, I was like, I didn't love it. I didn't love it. I was like, oh, like, I guess it's okay. Boy, you don't have no grills. Stop that. Yeah, I didn't love it, but as always, you know, I like to give things, you know, a couple of listens before I make my full judgment. And I listened to it maybe like 3 or 4 times, and I was like, like, yeah, it's all right, it's all right. But then, I'm telling you, this is a tale as old as time. It got stuck in my head. It got stuck in my head, so I had to listen to it more, and then I was like, actually, this kind of slaps. this kind of slaps. And now that I've seen like the live stages and like their studio tune performance, now of course I'm obsessed with it. Of course, because that's how it always goes. But I do really like it. What? Jake, calm down. But yes, I do really like it. It is very catchy. Nice. Ugh, Sanu, that's my bias. That's my bias. Since day one of Island. Yeah, that's him. He looks so cute. Ugh, Sanu. I just want to like pat him on the back and be like, you are doing so freaking well. Do you keep it up? Oh my gosh, I love him. Oh, Heesung. I know that they announced that they were going on like I don't think it probably wasn't a world tour. I think it was just like a US tour. I don't know if the tickets went on sale yet. I kind of want to go, but I also don't want to pay an arm and a leg. So we'll see. Maybe I'll get cheap seats like closer to the date. I think they're coming here in October. So we'll see. I would like to see them. I do really love Enhypen and their music. But all these concerts are really just like, it's getting crazy. Jay, what do you have a lip ring? Why? No! What is this? You guys don't have grills. Stop. What is that? What is that? I can't. Gosh, they got a few comebacks and now they think they gangsta. They think they all grown up and gangsta. I can't. I'm really done. Oh, they're cute. Ugh, Jungwon and Nikki, my bias wreckers. I see you. I see you. Not the New York Yankees caps. Not the New York Yankees. Ooh, one of the things twos. Nice. Oh, Jake wrote some in English. That's nice. Cute, but why is that I not capitalized? I swear, somebody needs to proofread these because I've read some other English things twos from native English speaking like idols. Like it's not like, you know, it was a Korean or like another, like somebody whose English wasn't their first language. Like I've read some English as their first language, like thanks twos, and I'm like, y'all need to proofread these, like please. Anyway, okay, let's see what we have. We have a little, I'm guessing it's a folded poster. Let's see. Oh, it has the lyrics on the back. Let's see. Oh, nice. Let me see if I can zoom out. Cool. Looking good. Nice. Okay, and then let's do it like this. Okay, yes, of course we have our intro. I do like that they all spoke in like different languages. I thought that was really cute. Yes, Future Perfect slaps. We love it. I really like Paradox. That Feeling When is super cute. I really like it. Shout Out slaps. It gives me just like early 2000s angsty, like kind of pop rock vibes. And then we have the outro, Foreshadow. Yes, nice. I honestly don't know what my favorite B-side is. I've just been jamming to Paradox, That Feeling When, and Shout Out. Yeah, they're just great songs. But I mean, it's Enhypen. I knew I would eventually love it. Okay. And now we have the CD. Let's see. Oh, there's nothing there. Okay. Oh, cute, nice, simple. Orange. All right. And then we have what might be stickers. Let's see. Oh no, they're tattoos. Cute, cute. What does that say? District. What does that mean? Interesting. Junction. Cool, cool. Okay, nice. And now we have what seems, oh, I can see through. Let's see. I got Sunghoon. Yeah, Sunghoon. He looks very good. But he always does, so who's surprised? Nice, nice. I collect Sunwoo, Jungwon, and Nikki. I probably will try and collect their versions of these. This is nice. Cool, cute. We have a little button thing, cute. Manifesto day 1, nice. That's interesting. We have our lovely little, what is this, the Weverse shop. Feel free to steal my thingamajig. We have what appears to be maybe a bookmark type of dealio. Let's see. Oh, come into our absolute district. Interesting. I will not be scratching that. Sorry, guys. But that is interesting. Cute. Okay. And now we have our first photo card out of 2. Let's see. Oh, I got Jay. Hello, hello. Nice, nice, cool. I really like his hair. The undercut and then the slits. Nice. Okay, let's put this here. And then our second photo card. Let's see. I got Sunwoo. Oh my gosh, Sunwoo, stop. What does he have? A little toy car? I can't with him. He looks so good. Ugh, Sunwoo. Yes, we love it. We love it. I'm sorry, Sunwoo, but you were making us go out of focus. Nice. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. All right, that was the D version. Yes. Let's keep it moving. Okay, the J version. Let's see. I wonder why they chose the D, J, and M as version names. I'm sure it'll all be revealed at some point in the future. But yes, my little thingy got a little busted up in in transit, but it's all right. It's all right. Okay. Let's open this. Oh wait, these are different, right? They are cute. Okay. All right. Let's see. I don't remember what the teaser photos looked like, so I'm not sure. I don't know what this concept will be, but let's take a look. Oh, microphones. Oh, interesting. Okay. Well, I guess pass the mic. They really said pass the mic. Oh, we got some snacks. Nice. Oh my god, I love this flannel. Oh my god, I want that. I want it. I can't. This is cute though. Cute. No, not the. That's cute. Got Jay. Oh, he's exercising. Oh, does everybody have their own thing that they're doing? Oh, what is he? He's a YouTuber now? Okay, okay. When's that workout routine gonna drop? Oh, he also has the microphone on his phone. Oh, squad. Nikki. But like wavy hair really is so cute on him. So cute. Oh, let's see, what is he doing? He is also doing a video. Where is he at? Is he just chilling in the studio? Maybe. cute. Or maybe he's a gamer. That might make sense. Oh. Sunu. Sunu. Oh, is he a talk show host? Well, he has been hosting that one show with Jungwon, so there we go. There we go. Cute. I still can't. I can't. I think that's so funny. Sunghoon. Let's see what he's gonna be doing. What is he doing? Where are you? Oh, he's a musician. Nice, nice. In like a little studio. Okay. I wonder if any of them can play instruments. I actually don't know. I feel like somebody can play piano, but I'm not sure who. I'm not sure. Ooh, Jake. I didn't realize. Well, maybe for the promotions, his hair isn't gray anymore. So I was like, I feel like, I don't know. Yeah, I know Sunu is back to black for the promotions. Maybe Jay's hair is temporary. I don't know. Now I have to go watch something to see if I'm going crazy. What is Jake doing? Where are you going? Maybe he's just going to work. Ugh, Jungwon. Still like crazy that he's the leader to me. Like it makes so much sense, but it's still like so wild since he's so young. I think I saw a post that it's like him and somebody else are the youngest leaders in K-pop. I can't remember who the other person was, but wow. Cool. Oh, they all have the microphone phones. Are they all working on a project together? Ooh, this is cute. Okay, I release these phone screens though. Release the download. Okay, and we have the thanks to's. Nice. Okay. We have our lyric poster. Let's see. Oh yeah, sorry about the glare, y'all. Let's see if we can't. What is this Junction brand? But you know what? Get that sponsorship. Get that sponsorship. Get that shmoney. They look so cute. Nice. Cool. I'm getting college boy vibes. We've graduated from high school. We're getting college boy vibes. All right. And then, let's see. I think the lyrics are the same. It looks like it. Okay. And our CD. I keep expecting there to be something there. Nice. A slightly darker orange. Cool. See, more tattoos. Are these different? It looks like these are the same. I think they are. They're still cute though. Are they like this one? The fire is cute. Honestly, they're all really cute. Nice. Okay. Our little button. Oh, this one has a microphone this time. Nice. All right. I'd love to put this on a bag, but I just know that like between like Subway and me like running around, I know it would just come off or it would break and then I'd be sad. Okay, let's see. We have our message card thing. Oh, what do we have? Let's go and meet up at Junction. Okay. Interesting. Junction. All right, guys, what are the theories? I know some people have some theories. Spill them in the comments. I never know what the theories are. Okay. Now we have our little photo thing. I'm trying not to make it see-through. Let's see. Oh, stop. I got Sunghoon again. Hello, hello, Sunghoon. You are just loving me this time. I feel like I don't usually pull Sunghoon. I feel like I pulled Jay. Jay and Heesung come to me a lot. And then of the Magne line, I might get like 1 or 2 things per like album. Not like per album, but per unboxing. But I don't think I have ever been this Sunghoon blessed before. Cool, cool, nice. All right, first photo card. Let's see. Stop. Oh my gosh, Jungwon. We love it. We love it. What is he holding? Is it a tambourine? Maybe. Yes, Jungwon, keep showing up in my albums because I know you're gonna be overpriced. I know. The reason why I haven't finished their first 2, like finished the photo cards for their first 2 mini albums, are all because of you, Jungwon, and your dang overpriced photo cards. Oh, but he's so cute. I can't not collect him. I love him so much. Okay. And our other photo card, let's see. Oh my god, Nikki! Oh my gosh, stop. This photo card is so cute. So freaking cute. We love to see it. Yes. Wow. Nice. Okay. 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 Now we have the M version. Yes, the light orange. This one also got a little squished and mushed. But you know what? It happens. Okay, let's see. There we go. Okay. Oh, what does this one have? Let's see. Oh, this one has a skateboard. Oh, a star and the little devil. Cute. Okay. Oh my god, I just realized. Okay. So we have M versions of the Me version. For the J, we have Junction. And then for D, we have District. So I guess that's the meaning behind the letters. Still don't know what these words have to do with anything, but we solved one mystery. All right, let's do it. Oh wait, I do remember these teaser photos. I do remember these. And I was like, what's going on? As always, very interesting. Oh, hello, Sunu. Listen, we do love the colorful outfits. We love that for us. Oh, so cute. Oh, Pisung. I've always wanted to try one of those, but knowing me, I would literally fall on my ass and like break something. I have like 0 athletic skills, no coordination, no anything. Cute. What is it? You guys are standing out from the crowd. Sung. These looks are also giving me like college vibes. They got that preppy, college-y look going on. I really wonder, I'm sure it happens, like it has to happen because like idols are human too, but I really wonder what outfits some idols have been forced to wear where they're like, this is so dumb. Why would you ever put me in this? I really wish I knew. Because I would definitely be like, you really want me to wear that? And you expect me to have fans? Oh my gosh. They always look cute. Even in the, like, whenever they put idols in like weird or like sus outfits, they still look cute. Ooh, Jake has a fuzzy sweater. Oh, that's a really cool shot of Nikki. Cute. We also love the pink. Oh, so cute. Skateboard. Yes, I need these theories. What do these symbols and words mean? I know they have some, I don't even know. I think it's supposed to be like a webtoon or something. I'm not sure. I'm too old for these things. But they have some kind of story, something that's supposed to be going on. I don't know if this is supposed to connect or not. But yeah, I think that one part in the music video when they're in the school, I think that's supposed to do with whatever story thing they have, but again, I am lost. Oh, cute. I really like that sweater on Jake. I have been, one of my new favorite pastimes is watching Enhypen crack videos. Because there's so many and they're so freaking funny. These guys are so hilarious. I can't. So that's been one of my my pastimes. Also, like, engines are so good at editing and just adding the funny sound effects. Like, that's all you need. Just give me like a video of idols acting weird, some sound effects, and some funny editing, and I am satisfied. Okay, nice. Okay, our poster, let's see. Okay, nice. The whole squad in a line. Cool. We love it. We love it. Okay, and then lyrics are the same. All right. CD. Nothing on the side. Let's see. Cool. Nice light orange. Kind of like a squash or pumpkin orange. That is the vibe that I'm getting. Our tattoos, which are the same. Well, now these words make sense now that I know they're supposed to be the version names. So I guess that kind of solves a mystery. Nice. Our button. The little devil on it. Cute, cute. Message. Let's see. You can't push me anymore. You are right. Stand your ground. Cool. Okay. And our photo. Ooh, do not make it see-through. Okay, let's see. I got Jungwon. Oh my gosh. Oh man. This means there's gonna be 3 different versions of these per member. That's 9. Yeah, I can put them in 3 pockets. It'll be fine. Yeah, I kind of want these, but yeah. Okay. All right, our photo card. Let's see. Oh, Sunghoon is really loving me. You know what? And it's because I watched that crack video of him like other times. No, I'm joking. But it was a funny video. I can't. Ugh, Sunghoon. Blonde hair really was made for him. He looks so good with the blonde hair. Yeah, so good. He also has great eyebrows too. Man, it's just not fair. It's not fair because how does he look like that and I look like a thumb? Okay, and our other photo card, let's see. Oh my gosh, Jungwon is also loving me and I am not complaining. There are no complaints here, none whatsoever. Jungwon, keep showing up. You are welcome in this household. Please save me some money by showing up in my polls. Oh my god, it's so cute. I can't. Nice. All right, all right. Okay, those were the regular versions. Let's move on to the jewel case ones. Okay, now if I remember correctly, these are supposed to be like the by Enhypen version. I don't know what that means. Maybe it'll mean we'll get some pictures that they took, or maybe some like art. I don't know, but let's find out. Okay, and we get our little symbols again. Wait a minute, can you unfold this whole thing? It kind of looks like it. Do I dare? All right, I guess we're doing it. Oh, okay, yeah, you can unfold the whole thing. Doesn't have anything. Wait, what's this? Oh, districts. Okay, cool, interesting. I will put this back together though. All right. Okay, we have this cute little photo book. I really like this. Nice. What is this? Tabasco, All American. Excuse me, I thought this was Korea. Nah, it's the vibes. It's the vibes. Okay, I don't think there's any random things in here, but I will check anyway. Okay, I was right. No random things. So let's do this. See, okay, so it looks like it's the same concept. We're just gonna get more pictures from the photo shoot. And you know, I really let these K-pop companies do it to me. I really do, because did I need these smaller versions? No. But did I want them? Because I didn't want to have album FOMO? Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh, they still look so cute though. I don't regret buying these, but I'm like, come, like, really B-lift slash big hit, or not big hit, Hype. Really cute. I do think I remember seeing that it was supposed to be like by Enhypen, so I wonder if these are pictures they took, or maybe that just like the handwriting is theirs. I don't know. I want answers. I want answers. Cute. Look at them just chilling. Actually, is that? Maybe not. Maybe not. There's a famous like bar in Korea that a lot of idols have actually done photo shoots at, and I don't think they're at that bar, but it kind of looks like they are. Yeah, it kind of has that vibe. Ugh, Sunu. And Heesung. These boys really are so talented. I really like cannot get over it. I really cannot get over how talented they are, and they've all improved so much. It's insane. I feel like they just debuted like yesterday. Oh, what's this? Interesting. Okay, there is some artwork. Oh, well, that was it. All right, then. I'll take it. I do like when companies do like versions that are like by the groups, where they like have the pictures that they took, or like they put in like artwork or whatever. I think that's cute. Okay. We got another little mini poster in here. Let's see. Nice, cute. I think it's the same picture, just smaller. All right. And of course we have the lyrics on the back, but these lyrics have color. Ooh, cute. Okay. And now we have this little folded thingy, which I'm guessing has the CD and the goodies. So let me take a look. Okay, we have our CD here. I'm not gonna take it off. because I'm lazy. And sometimes it's really hard to get CDs back on these squishy thingies. But here it is. Do not show me, please. Nice. We have some stickers. Yes, actual stickers this time. Cool, cool. Nice. Yeah, the Junction District, me, DJM. Nice. These are really cute stickers. Okay. And we got 2 photo cards again, but these are different on the back. Let's see. Oh, I got Jay. See, I told you, Jay always shows up for me. Hello, Jay. Cool. Nice. Okay. And our other photo card, let's see. Oh, I got Heesung. Oh my gosh, Heesung. Nice. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Okay, next version. Let's do it. Yeah. I'm getting too old to be doing these unboxings on the floor. My back is killing me. My back. I actually, for those of you who keep up with my non-existent life, actually, let's try and open it like this. I recently got a cat. Ooh, nice. And I just brought her home I just brought her home like yesterday. And she's really shy, of course, you know, I'm a stranger and she's in a weird place. But she hid behind my radiator last night and I was trying to like coax her to come out with like some food. I'm like on the ground in like a weird like position. Like my back is hurting, my leg is falling asleep. I'm like, oh God. I'm just getting old. Just getting old. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. All right, cute, cute. Nice. Maybe he's doing like a mukbang. Maybe that's what Heesung is doing. Oh, so cute. You know, I was thinking maybe this isn't an actual brand. Maybe like the stylist made it like this. Like, you know, because now that I know that it's called, the J version stands for Junction, maybe this was something that the stylist put together because that would make more sense. Oh, Sanu. That would make more sense. Maybe that's the like college that they go to, Junction College. I don't know. I do not know. Because I'm pretty sure this says, let's go meet up at Junction. And I think, wasn't that on one of the message cards? Everything connects. Oh yes, let's go meet up at Junction. Interesting. Okay, okay. More of the mystery unravels. Cute. What are they painting? Like, where are these images? Where are they? Oh, we got more pictures this time. Cool. And our thanks tos. I guess like this is kind of nice. Like, let's say you want to get the albums, but you don't want to get the humongous versions. You could essentially just get these nice smaller compact ones if you don't have a lot of shelf space like me. Okay, we have our little mini poster because yeah, you pretty much get the same things. I mean, the same photos and the same little mini poster. So, yeah. Cute, cute. Okay. Our goodie folder. I think these might be some of their drawings. Maybe. Okay, let me take my stuff out. All right, our CD. It's pretty much the same. Ooh, Manifesto Day 1. Yes, okay. Our stickers, let's see. Okay, looks like you get the same stickers. Maybe this time I'll actually use one. Okay, so this, maybe these are people's drawings. I don't know. Maybe there's an album behind the scenes. Maybe I need to look for that. And that will answer all my questions. Cool. Our photo cards. Focus, please. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, I told you guys, Jay always shows up for me. Hello, Jay. Hello again. We meet once again. Yes. Oh, Jay. Nice. I watched their music video. Like, I watched their video of them reacting to their music video, and that scene where they're outside in the dark and Jay has that orange vest. I forgot who it was, but somebody was like, he's wearing a life jacket. And I'm like, y'all are done. You do each other so dirty. Okay, let's see here. Oh, I got Jake. I don't think I pulled any Jake before. That's nice. I do like pulling different members, even if I don't keep them. It's still fun. What is he holding? A big coin? Interesting. Maybe that's one of those like chocolate coins. I don't know. Cool. Okay. All right, last version. Let's do it. The me version. All right. Let me zoom out a little bit. All right, cute. I do think opening it this way is the superior method. Okay, nice. I do like the little collage vibe. Nice. All right. Oh, cute little preppy photo shoot. Nice, nice, nice. I wonder, these are probably just like some random like models. Imagine they were like staff members. They're like, listen, you gotta put on this suit. Don't worry, we're gonna black your face out. No one's gonna see you. You just gotta stand in this line. That'd be so funny. I know. Oh, they probably got like models or something. Or you know, maybe they're just like random backup dancers. Who knows? I feel like these little doodles have to be like doodles that they did. Otherwise, the like by like Enhypen version is just a lie. Oh, let's go, Sanu. Get it with your Louis Vuitton shorts. I don't know. Now I have shout outs stuck in my head because of course I do. It really has such a nice angsty vibe. Cute. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, so maybe they took pieces from what they drew and used them. That's interesting. Oh, that's cute. Nice. All right. Okay. Our poster. Nice, nice. I'm trying to think, is there anybody I haven't pulled? Did I pull Jake? I might have. I think I've pulled at least one thing of everybody. Cool. All right. Lyrics on the back. Yes. Our little folder. You know, I don't love lyric posters. I prefer a little lyric book, if I'm being honest. That's so random because it's not like I ever look at it after I do an unboxing, but I prefer the lyric book. Okay, let me get my things out of here. All right, CD, yes, Manifesto Day 1. All right. Ah, my stickers. Dang, these got really bent up. Maybe I should use these. Oh, it looks like they're the same. All right. Photo card time. Let's see. Oh my gosh, Jay, man, I'm telling you guys, the evidence is here. Jay loves me. I'm sorry, Jay. I already collect 3 of y'all. I cannot. Even just collecting the 3 that I do collect is giving me a freaking headache. Oh my gosh. It is such a cute little selfie though. Nice. All right, last but not least, let's see. More Sunghoon. Dang, Jay and Sunghoon are like, listen, we're gonna sneak up in her bias list. Oh my gosh, I can't. Nice. All right. All right, guys, that was my unboxing of Enhypen's Manifest Day 1. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.